Welcome to this video, where we explore 10 incredible fruits that can protect your eyes and even help repair your vision. Your diet has a significant impact on your overall health, but did you know it can play a critical role in maintaining your eyesight as well? Stay with us as we break down some of the best fruits you can add to your diet today to keep your eyes sharp and healthy. These fruits are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, lutein, and antioxidants, which are critical for combating vision problems such as cataracts, macular degeneration, and eye strain. Make sure you watch until the end. We'll not only reveal which fruits benefit your eyes the most, but we'll also share practical tips on how to include them in your daily meals. Let's dive in. The eyes are complex organs that need proper nutrition to function optimally. Poor diet, aging, and excessive screen time are some of the common factors that leave our eyes vulnerable to vision problems. Fortunately, nature has provided us with superfoods, fruits that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support our eye health. Today, we'll explore 10 fruits that can protect your eyes from damage, repair vision, and prevent age-related vision issues. Young or old, these fruits are essential additions to your diet to maintain clear, healthy eyesight. Bright, juicy, and refreshing, oranges are a household favorite, and their benefits go beyond just boosting your immune system. Packed with vitamin C, oranges play a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in your eyes. Vitamin C helps prevent cataracts and slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. It's recommended to consume fresh oranges or enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice daily for maximum eye health benefits. To add them to your routine, carry an orange as an easy snack or add orange slices to your salad for a sweet and tangy twist. Small but mighty blueberries are a powerhouse when it comes to eye health. They are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation and shield the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Studies suggest that blueberries can strengthen vision and reduce the risk of retinal disorders. Plus, they're a fantastic snack to keep you energized throughout the day. To add them to your routine, toss a handful of blueberries into your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or enjoy them on their own. Papayas are tropical fruits that are exceptionally good for your eyes, thanks to their high content of vitamin A. Known for its role in improving night vision and reducing dry eye issues, vitamin A is a crucial nutrient for anyone looking to maintain healthy eyesight. Papayas also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, nutrients that protect your retina from potential light-induced damage. To add them to your routine, slice up papaya as a refreshing dessert or blend it into a smoothie with a splash of lime for a tropical treat. Kiwis are tangy, vibrant fruits that are often overlooked. However, they're loaded with lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C. These nutrients are all excellent for preventing macular degeneration and keeping your retina healthy. Plus, lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural blue light blockers, making kiwis particularly beneficial for protecting your eyes from prolonged screen time. To add them into your routine, cut a kiwi in half and scoop out the fruit with a spoon, or slice it up to enjoy as a zesty topping for yogurt or cereal. Grapes are not only sweet and delicious, but also packed with antioxidants such as resveratrol, which help protect the delicate tissues in your eyes. Resveratrol supports healthy blood flow to the eye and reduces the risk of developing AMD and other vision problems. They are also hydrating, making them a great snack for maintaining overall body health, including the eyes. To add them to your routine, snack on them fresh, freeze them for a refreshing treat, or include them in fruit salads. Often referred to as the king of fruits, mangoes not only satisfy your sweet cravings, but also offer a wealth of eye-nourishing benefits. They are high in vitamin A, which supports retinal health, and zeaxanthin, which filters damaging blue light and helps prevent damage to your eyes. Mangoes are also rich in vitamin E, which can boost the health of the skin around your eyes. To add them to your routine, include mango slices in your fruit platter, blend them into a lassi, or use them as a topping for desserts. Goji berries might be small in size, but they pack an impressive nutritional punch for your eyes. These berries are loaded with zeaxanthin, which is known to protect against cellular damage in your eyes. In traditional Asian medicine, Goji berries have long been praised as a food that supports healthy vision and reduces eye fatigue. To add them to your routine, soak a handful of dried goji berries in hot water to make a tea, sprinkle them over your yogurt, or mix them into trail mix for an on-the-go snack. Pineapples are rich in vitamin C and have a unique blend of antioxidants that help repair damaged eye tissue. Their anti-inflammatory properties are particularly good for those who experience eye strain or puffiness. Eating pineapple regularly can also slow down the development of cataracts, thanks to the fruit's high antioxidant content. To add them to your routine, dice fresh pineapple and add it to fruit salads, salsas, or smoothies. Strawberries are not just a visually appealing fruit, but are also incredibly rich in vitamin C, which is essential for eye health. These red berries help protect your eyes from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of cataracts. Their antioxidants also play a key role in strengthening the cornea and retina. To add them to your routine, slice them into your breakfast cereal or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Lastly, let's not forget about avocados. While not traditionally considered a fruit for eye health, they're a hidden gem when it comes to vision care. Avocados are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that are critical for eye health. These nutrients reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, and avocados are also rich in healthy fats, which help your body absorb other fat-soluble vitamins beneficial for the eyes. To add them to your routine, smash avocado on toast, add slices to your salad, or blend them into a creamy smoothie. Adding fruits to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are a few simple tips to help you incorporate these 10 eye-healthy fruits into your daily meals effectively. Mix it up. Create a vibrant fruit salad using a blend of the fruits mentioned here. Smoothie fix. Blend these fruits into delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies to boost your vision health on the go. Snacks made simple. Keep washed and prepped fruits, like blueberries or grapes, on hand for an easy and healthy snack. Meal add-ons. Use fruits like avocados, kiwis, or strawberries as additions to yogurts, cereals, or savory dishes. Remember, maintaining healthy vision is not just about what you eat today, but about making consistent choices for the long term. Thank you for watching. Together, we've explored 10 fruits that can protect your eyes and repair your vision, all while adding delicious variety to your diet. Your next step is to stay proactive about your eye health by incorporating these fruits into your routine. If you found value in this video, please like and share it with others who would benefit from these tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which fruit you're excited to try or which one is already a part of your daily diet. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on health and wellness. Take charge of your vision health today. Your eyes will thank you.